Marago vengi ya echi tariki kominisa mutinye komino mu mwaka bw'ekirube na 2024 chinga kichingia kigimekero na iranire na indi nkomanye Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asinchira yo bwenge unagendete gukorekana ase chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya na nemano kurasa orogongo rwa gusi karanzo kenkomanye unatokira se mesa mangana mayanche Cynthia Kirbo kuranse memanyeri gotorenere Wilson Makori. Nasto chakira roboti kurwase county ya Kisii muchobusonge mambialero boniga barande kurwase chikanisa au banyara ko bakumera nasomo bwanyo yo mweme muchobusongo erigo kwanira nemono iganga yokorosia gose yokoroberio musangirikano erigo sabira ense ya Kenya na nemoni county ya Kisii no abakuru rwongo rwa usi gosabire county
la ronto no moko maneke kima kunyaba gine waito korwa kembekea shine the world oba yo taro mojo gusi kolete nchie na se ito ya gusi especially umako gocha na roba ja sengi joka introduction gusi ito ya bere nime jande menge abantu bakwengenta marera mange abantu bange bana nyali ngale nyasa na kukinia otola kwa gusi ose mangana ke nyasa ito gusi eko era mbara bataba unleashed bagiri weta seke megia shine the world ndono mananga nyasa na cyo change ya gusi
ya abaminto abagusi baito esmotegerete na ndesimoko ligere kurwase mwikaransete gona no mogoko monne sana on behalf au kaniaba yabarandi bonspi abagusi esbale ime ya Kenya na isko ya Kenya in the diaspora asengenjo yabaminto kurwa America a ministry kurwa shine in the world ministries ekokole minimo pamoja na a ministry ekorku World Apostolic Network asoko chamo korengana namasabo asabirwe ase miaka ya etire abaminto basabire abakoli emerebo ya tata abapastor baito aba bishop and ministry ga Kisii na Nyamira bakoli emereme Yeremia.
Thank you, Bishop, and thank you the clergy team and the church community here in Kisii. On behalf of Shine in the World Ministries, our president, and our team of ministers from around the world, I bring you greetings, I bring you love. Amen. And we are saying the time for Kisii is now. Yeah. We are not a church, we are a Christian evangelistic mission working around the world. We work interdenominationally. Alongside like-minded teams like the World Apostolic Network under the auspices of our bishop, and we have been waiting for this moment.
Abana baito ngokora bara matemo abayiboli ga kitenena na abana ba support kabisa basabere babeke chinguru ba encourage na abana baito esmole le makapisa ekyagera amatemo gokora na alia ya masomo mwasomire ebitabu mwaligireirie na inde ali mwaorokereriwe class na arumojiko translate as exam igomo wasikobo mo wasiko panic na inde balibako ngainereria ngamatemu nare akoniwa kaki tamakuru ororo ekiagera okuno gusapotage e future y'abana baito igatoko basabira amaya buna barandia ngo babikira turamasabo na kwegena nganyasaye na abae obubwi bwabene asedeteri ya Yesu Kristo.
na kurwa sense mene kwiri wikase sekta yechisemi ne kira matemu amanene AKCSE agendeta sichi skulu a oimense ya Kenya abateneri Ikomi na kianda ba matemu AKCSE ase skulu ya sekondari ya Kebabe igotoka ime ye wodi ya Bokimonge bunge ya Bomachoge borabu ime county ya Kisii niko banyara kwa bagotenerirwa embere mwasi bwo bagendete kurikyo chiroboti na begone byombe byo botukina ya maiga yechisimi soto chatogete na bwiga barokiwe kero bagendete na matemu abo.
Mimi ni William Kaibet, DCC Kenyanya Sub-County. Jana alasiri tulipata habari kuwa hapo Kebabe Secondary School kulikuwa na wanafunzi walipatikana na simu za rununu katika darasa la moja la mtihani. Simu 3 zilipatikana katika hilo darasa moja ya mtihani ile ya alasiri. So simu hizo zikachukuliwa na pia katika zilikuwa zinafanya kazi. So hiyo ni kuonyesha kuwa labda kulikuwa na mpangilio za kupeleka pia katika hizo darasa za mtihani. So hatua ilichukuliwa mara moja, zikaletwa katika ofisi na zikawa handed over kwa ofisi ya DCIO ambayo anafanya uchunguzi saa hizi tukiongea.
Na kurwa sense mende bona barai kurwa sorongo rwa Gusii nigo manyara ko babago chamo na kurario kubwatirana na bwigo gusikie gesaku kyo mu Gusii mutu ase moye gojo nyara ko bagokoragwa mono mseneta bwe county ya Kisii omo seneta Unyonka na bwo no mbunge Silvana Susuru.
Otebanga otwachichaga igabuna barai ba Gusii. I think mwensi moto manyete mheshimiwa Tari of course chigavana chitubire nchiyo senge nchega sinere bale gokora. Senator Nyamira, he gave an excuse because he was having a lunch meeting. He's supposed to cover akina motebi agendo. Otuachira okugamba linga na lisinini. Tuanchira ne buna barai ba Gusii to ichamo buna bana bamo. Bali batamanyiti to koru kumwanya getinge. To sikane tuanchane tuanze koranga ki serikali ya robone ko kolegasi in terms of ngaki turanyale go sabe serikali ebintu gete batwae biri turanyale go kuira Gusii bichiko konya abantu baitu onye kunyale kana enchereri gigwe tuanze gukwana to kuliya magenderero na arabana inchi batagete Gusii so etimu yebuna toleiga otuanchiranire nande tuasikanire to babana bano abamo tuanchane to kolega asiamo nande bono to gukwana neriogi elimo muntu tayo gukwaneke mambia ankiende kwa ibune kende nande tu decide nga for now ntuli kugamba mangana political parties chipati yeto no chire abara iwe chipati no bale lakini bono tu decide kuirana Gusii bono nyumba tole. I appreciate abara yaba mheshimiwa Soro bonsipi mheshimiwa Jafet na bagambi bali bonsi bale gaiga ba kolire ga singiya oyo noro mwelekeo mu Gusii atagete to ichamo tubuaterane tusikane tuanchane tokolegasi.
Like any other community, all the other communities in Kenya, the community from Gusii is faced with similar challenges that we all know. The challenges of road network, the challenges of health, all those challenges that electricity, I mean, they are not really isolated to only other regions. They also, challenges that we face in Gusii. So we sat today to evaluate our strength in the broad-based government and our projections and expectations for for the next 3 financial years in regard to the development of our people. So largely this meeting was about development and unity of our people and fighting together, putting our synergies together to make sure that we pull the resources towards our people for the benefit of the common mwananchi. I think
and next time we believe that our governors and the women reps, especially Mama Doris Donya, who was not here because she has traveled out of the country, and anybody else who's been elected, we want to start working together as a team. At some point, I believe the chief whip will be informing the public and informing the people of the community what are the strategies and what is the reason why we have come together. Purely, we want to engage the government. We want to make sure that we are given an opportunity to serve our people. If the government listens to us and the government agrees to support our community, we will take note and we will work to make sure that development comes to our areas, and we will actually support the government, because we are no longer having the issues of opposition and other issues. So that is what I wanted to say, and we are very, very proud and happy about this moment. I think this is the first time that all of us have realized the significance of staying together and working together for our community. Hatuwezi kulizungumzia sasa.
Na tutigiriza kaunti ya Kisii bone amatema kurasense ya Nyamasibi gutoka ime bunge ya Nyaribari Masabi me kaunti ya Kisii nigo bale no muichano munene nemega yo mungino yo moko mwaka omwano ye omore bigoti nabo ko muita nemega yo kwenda mwijirani na kolirinda
bana bakundangire bagontebi mwana narutugire nyaro kumbu mwana ni gaitake bisa nyaro akanyaro bondasi bware nyumba akaira nyarali ero rende bantu mbamumanya bana bakundangire ngucha konyora nwara buto kumurusi ororo mwana uyo ogontebi ndo kiagera nenchara tinachita kwa complain kindi yonsi kamubuli kwibutira gantebi kerantebi akaenda sobo agesibi agachaka ende kanisa yarenga maliba mata nwachita agakorere kanisa bakaragira abu muchanga no rengoro ewe ikamaroba ngina rende takora kene ngina kumbo uchiro nkonywara amaru otebi umwana ubona to kamambi asigete nali achete ogora ki okuimuki umwana oyo okumwaka buna baga musubatu yakatama ekeratama tukatema kumurigi abwese bistebi tumeime asinge nero ko bosini gasitugite nchira akiri umwana oyo ekeratwa bamurabate makumuriga kababura umweri agacyake rasimisa nabibo kubaka ikenya masibi kumbu umwana onachita akagirekera Nyamasibi poda Nyamasibi nere karara bube naliye mubugati tiga itero musubati oyo nchira agatama ku polisi nali abasigari banya Nyamasibi bayimugete bakayimuki umwana baka umwisoko umwabo akamwira bakayicuni ogo ikayicuni tachi bagatumu keroka nali bayiranti nando umwana uyobocha ego ika ba bikipikia ko muleta nale kumubeka para togote Nyamasibi ki umwana nando letiru ole ubekiru para tukaimuka ndwa kora kende tukaimuki umwana n'abasigari tukamwira keroka tukatuma busongo kera twatumbaka busongo umwana uyu nabayigeta agakwera nchira kera kwera nchira tukamugacarene nwale mochari wane kerogi tugocha se family yentu bwata bokong babonene amusubati uyo ubereka gutineka abana bane n'abana aba bagukwa senchire tamanyikaini mara abandi twigune nchare ko bari mara abandi batoka bolere bakwete abana botinikire goika abana bane weno yokane na mwana ta yokurwara omusubati oni gara twe family yako ni mumuroyo na kine gasi yani gakuboka mambi onywa marwa inere erongori ya mambi akuboka na mwana ta ino yomo ole school abana bonsi bakuboka gasi abo ngai bakora mumuroyo atege chiungara geri abana nyomba tiyo none egekori egumenge kortiki kake serikali mwari kwanja motokonye no mungwano momorora amabera momokonye tabugati kende
naso gokorera muwaziri bw'ekisemi Muske Julius Ogamba Migosiri tkolia rero nigara ukwena na kwa matemo a KCSE ase ofisi yo county commissioner kora sensemo ya Kabete kutoka me county ya Kiambu nase chinga kenyara ko bakago kwana nabaliki bamangana mayani nganyara ko bakago kwanera mangana mange anemono kwena nwa kwa agoseko obi emerobeli abekiru elio kolenda amatemo yo kolekana senchira yo bwikiranu kwena no kwebitabu nabo igo kwigora gwechiskuru asoma ko 2025 nabo kwa gacha kwibirasiria ECDE.
This opportunity first and foremost to thank all of you, the whole team, for the good work that you are doing. Because as the commissioner said, this is one of those counties that we've not had any incidences. We haven't had any incidences because you've adhered to the rules and regulations that we gave you, the briefs that you've been giving, and the teamwork that you've exhibited from all our agencies that are working together. That teamwork is what is going to ensure that we will deliver a credible examination this year. As I have said before, our students do not need our help in terms of exam malpractice for them to get the grade that they deserve. I'll inform the Kenyans and the whole country that we are undertaking this examination under very strict regulations, and any malpractice, any attempts are being handled, and most of them are actually being handled before they occur because of the multi-agency approach that we are using, where we have teams in the ground, and the teams are able to identify certain malpractices before they happen. And because of that, we are able to address those attempts to ensure that the examination that we are going to finalize next week will be the most credible so far. I will be collecting the statistics that I'll share next week when we complete the exercise. So far, there are a number of arrests that have taken place in Siaya. There were a number of arrests that took place in Eldoret, and all of them relate to adults. To grade 9, we have proceeded with the construction of the required classrooms. We are going on. We have done 3,500 classrooms so far to 100% completion. The second phase.